Today I'm going to show you how to adjust or replace your soft close quick release type toilet seat. This is also one with hidden fasteners. Basically I'm going to show you how to get in there and make the adjustments, tighten it down in case you have a wobbly or loose toilet seat, and just walk you through the process of replacing it as well if you need to. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you want to do when you're removing the toilet seat is there's actually a lock back here at the very back. You can actually see a little slide lever here. I'll try to get close to it. This little slide lever, it's going to go to the right on this model. So I'm going to basically push it to the right. This one's actually pretty stuck. It should move with your finger. You should be able to push it. But in this case, I'm going to use just the tip of the screwdriver, not touch the actual toilet itself, but I'm just going to lift it up just enough and then pry it this way just to slide that latch loose. And basically you can see right now, this is because the toilet seat's shifting all around, so it's not secure. So the only way to deal with this is actually remove this. We'll slide the actual toilet seat cover off, and I'll go ahead and show you how to adjust it from inside. All right, so I'm going to take the screwdriver and push it on the side of this lever. And then you can see it just snaps over. Once that's unlatched, now this whole piece basically slides off. The seat and the lid will actually slide off. So we're just going to slowly slide this off. And there you go. That reveals your adjustment. So this is the piece that's sliding back and forth and making the seat wiggle. So we're going to go ahead and lock this down, make the adjustment. All you really have to do is screw these down tight. You can adjust this upward or downward, depending on where the seat sits on the bowl. So you just want to make sure that it's not obviously to where your legs are touching the side of the bowl. You want to be on the seat. So you just adjust it to the proper dimensions to the front or the back, however you want to. I'm not really messing with that here. I'm just going to tighten it down. Again, just taking a flathead. You can use a flathead or a Phillips, you can see here. And we're just going to tighten these down. Don't over tighten these, because if you over tighten them, they will snap on the back. It's just a plastic lock nut on the back. But you just want it to where you can't shift it with your fingers. If you feel that movement, go ahead and tighten it a little bit more. All right, we're going to slide this back on. Now we can push it from side to side and it doesn't slide like it was before. You'll always have a little bit of movement, but it's not moving too much side to side. You can see what I was talking about with the front of the bowl here, the adjustment. So basically I can bring this out a little further this way so that the seat should be aligned right with the very front of the bowl, so your legs aren't really touching the side of it. So I'm going to go ahead and readjust that. And to adjust it forward, all you're going to do is loosen these two screws, slide this part forward, and you can actually do a rough fit on it. So go ahead and slide it up there like it's locked in place and see if that's where you want it. In this case, I'm going to push it all the way down. And you can see that made a little bit of difference here on the front, and that's right where you want it right there. So it should just align perfectly like that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and lock it in place. Tighten the screws. Again, check for movement. As long as it's not moving, you should be fine. All right, I'm going to slide this back in place. And once you slide it in place, now we're going to take this lever again and lock it back. Again, this one's a little tight. Okay, it locked with my finger that time. So you can just push it with your finger and it should be fine. All right, now it's locked in place, and now you've removed or adjusted your toilet seat.
Now for replacing the toilet seat, the process is pretty much similar. Main thing you need to know first off is what type of toilet you have. Is it elongated? Is it round? Is the seat U-shaped or is it an oval shape? And also what type of fasteners you're using. Are you using the fasteners that basically are the expanding inserts, or is this one that's going to actually have a lock nut on the back? As you can see, there's a bunch of different fasteners out there. So just make sure you know what type you're dealing with before you get into it. So now we've unlocked the slide latch. We're going to pull the toilet seat off and just taking the screws out from the top. Keep in mind here, if you have the type that has a nut on the bottom, you're going to need to hold the nut. If you don't have the type, if you have the expanding inserts that go in there, as you take the screw up and you'll actually see the track piece come up, you'll actually see the black sleeve of the expanding insert in there, or whatever type of sleeve it is. It could be the nylon, the white nylon sleeve as well, but you'll actually see that still in the hole when you take the screw out. And once the screws are removed, you're going to go ahead and back the sleeve out, either whatever type of expanding sleeve it is, the nylon or the rubber bushing, you're going to back that out, and you'll end up with like the bare toilet seat you see here. So you'll see the holes exposed in the ceramic. Now this is where if you have the insert type, you're going to put your insert back in, or if you have the type that has the bolt, you're going to go ahead and put the bolt, or if you got the bracket, set the bracket down, then put the bolt through, and you can start tightening the nut up on the back side. Now, if you got the type that actually has the bolt attached to the seat, this is where you go ahead and slide the bolt down through the holes and start tightening the nut up on the back side. Now you've replaced your toilet seat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.